Next day, everyone was there to say goodbye to Stepney. "Come back and see us soon," they all said. "And you're always welcome on my Bluebell branch line as well," said Stepney, and he puffed away. What about Diesel? He slipped out whilst no one was looking. He said goodbye to no one, but left two things behind: the rather nasty smell, the bad manners, and the battered bowler hat. But it does not end there. This is what happens after the events of Bowled Out.
Well, look who it is. After what happened, they should call you Bowler.
You outdated steampot. Go back to your preserved railway.
You said that we were out of date, and this is what happens. Don't tempt fate, you know.
I may have sucked a bowler hat, but don't tell any of my fellow diesels about this.
Oh, don't worry. I'll be telling some of your diesel pals. Chances that they will find it funny as well, Bowler.
You dare to do so? My reputation is already in tatters thanks to you out-of-date clanking worn-out hunks of metal on the no-good island of Sodor.
Well, we did a good job of hauling your express train, Bowler.
This is not right. I could go faster than any of you out-of-date tank engines. Don't you dare tell the diesels.
Oh well, that's my signal. I must go. Goodbye, Bowler. Oh, hi there, Alycidon.
Why, hello there, Bluebell. How was your visit to Sodor?
Nice to see you away from your usual haunts.
Why, yes, I'm on a rail tour. My controller was kind enough to lend me to the society.
Oh well. Look out for D261.
Ah, D261. I have known him. He is pretentious, rude, and downright vulgar.
He visited Sodor whilst I was visiting there. Told us we were out of date. Insulted us. And at last, he sucked a Bowler's hat into his air intake before taking his train.
The other diesels will never hear the end of it.
Duck and I had to take it. We had a lovely run. We went very fast.
Good for you, Stepney. But of course, I can go faster. You should have got me to pull it. Plus, I would have given that bowler a piece of my mind.
Oh, please spread the message to your fellow diesels. Anyway, must get back to the Bluebell. Bye!
Cheers then. They won't hear the end of it. Look out for D261. He's now called Bowler. That's why.
They won't hear the end of it. Hey, look out for D261. He sucked a bowler hat in his air intake in the island of Sodor, and now everyone calls him Bowler.
Hey, have you heard the news about D261?
Oh yes, I have!
Yes, the news has been spreading like wildfire. There's no stopping it. He should wear a bowler hat on his lamp iron. bowler! Hello, where is the bowler? Hello there, bowler. Be careful! Don't suck another bowler hat up your air intake!
I won't forget it! That's why I call it Bowler.
Nice one, Bluebell. The other diesels come until the end of it.
Ah, thanks, mate. Now his reputation is as battered as the bowler hat that he sucked.
My reputation is in ruins thanks to that Bluebell halfwit. What will our controller think of me now?
D261. I have been on the phone to Sir Topham Hatt from the island of Sodor, and he tells me that you've not been very nice to his engines while you visited the island. He demands an apology from you, and you will not be harsh to steam engines again.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
And besides, I think your new nickname suits you, Bowler. Good day.